Welcome back. It's me, Lucy from Dispensary Supply Canada. Today, I'm going to share some helpful packaging tips on how to fill and seal your Mylar bags. Let's get started. This is what you'll need: bags, labels, vessel, scale, and your product. The first thing you want to do is label your bags when they are empty and flat. This ensures stickers properly adhere to the surface of the bag. Open and align all the pouches you will be filling beforehand to streamline your filling process. Don't forget to calibrate your scale and set the tare button if you decide to use a container for weighing. For sanitary reasons, we suggest using gloves and a mask during this process. First, you will fill the container to desired weight. If your product is a little wet, we suggest adding extra product to make up for some inevitable drying. Fill your bags with the correct amount of weighed flour and package away. Seal each zipper manually to guarantee locked-in freshness. Next, heat seal your bag to ensure packaging is tamper-resistant. Make sure only the top of the bag is sealed. Do not seal under the tare notch line. Otherwise, your customers will have difficulty opening the bag. Well, that's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for new videos. Thanks for watching and happy sales!